In this video, we listed the 5 best drones under $500 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. D8 Pro RC Professional Drone. The D8 Pro drone by Toyfuru offers a comprehensive set of features tailored for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it boasts a robust build with a foldable design for easy portability. Equipped with an 8K UHD camera mounted on a stable platform supported by brushless motors, it ensures clear and stable video capture, aided by EIS electronic pan-tilt technology for image stabilization. Key functionalities include GPS-enabled intelligent flight modes such as waypoint navigation and automatic follow, enhancing ease of use and flight safety. With a flight time of up to 20 minutes and a range of 400 meters, it promises extended aerial exploration capabilities suitable for various photography and recreational scenarios. Number 2. S116 MAX Drone. The S116 MAX ELF drone is a compact and versatile UAV designed for aerial photography and exploration. It features an 8K HD camera with a resolution of 1280 by 720 for high-quality image capture. Operating at a 2.4 GHz frequency, it ensures stable flight performance and smooth controls. The drone boasts a 360 degrees omnidirectional sensing system for obstacle avoidance, enhancing safety during flights. It supports Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time transmission of footage and is equipped with a 3.7V 2000 mAh battery, offering a flight time of up to 18 minutes per charge. With a lightweight build of 153 g and dimensions of 23 by 23 by 12 cm, it is portable and suitable for users aged 14 and above, making it ideal for both recreational and professional use in various environments. Number 3. IDEA36 GPS RC Drone. The IDEA36 drone by IDEA is a lightweight yet feature-packed aerial device designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Weighing 209 g and equipped with a lithium battery, it boasts a flight time of 10 to 20 minutes and can reach distances of up to 120 m under remote control. This drone supports 4K UHD video resolution through an 80 degrees motorized adjustment Sony camera, enabling crisp aerial photography and video recording. It features GPS mode for enhanced flight control, including functions like low battery return, follow me, and waypoints flight, alongside an indoor optical flow positioning system for stability. Additional capabilities include 5 GHz Wi-Fi image transmission up to 300 m, brushless motors for improved stability, and smart gesture controls for intuitive operation. The package includes essential accessories like batteries, a remote controller, and a carrying case, reflecting its suitability for both enthusiasts and beginners alike. Number 4. Xiaomi V198 GPS Drone. The LSV198 GPS drone is a versatile and feature-rich aerial platform designed for professional use. Originating from mainland China, this quadcopter boasts a lightweight yet durable build, featuring foldable arms for easy portability. Equipped with GPS positioning and intelligent obstacle avoidance systems, it ensures precise and safe flight operations. The drone supports 5G Wi-Fi connectivity over a range of 3,000 meters, enabling real-time transmission of high-definition photos and videos captured by its advanced camera options, including 4K, 6K, and impressive 8K resolutions. With features like altitude hold, orbital motion, and waypoint flight modes, alongside a robust set of safety features like overcurrent and low battery protection, the V198 GPS offers up to 30 minutes of flight time per charge. It integrates seamlessly with both remote control and mobile app controllers, making it suitable for a wide range of aerial photography and video recording applications. Number 5. L200 Pro MAX GPS Drone. The L200 Pro MAX Drone is a versatile aerial photography device equipped with advanced features. It boasts a 2-axis gimbal for stable footage, a 7.4V 1600 mAh lithium battery offering up to 25 minutes of flight time, and supports 8K HD video recording with an Escape 4K HD wide-angle camera. It features GPS for one-click return and intelligent tracking, while 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance enhances flight safety within 20 meters. This foldable drone weighs 216 g and operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, with a remote control distance of 3,000 meters and an image transmission range of 1,200 meters. It supports SD cards up to 128 GB and includes various flight modes for flexible operation.